If you practice Zazen in the early hours of the day, you may be dozing off at times. So am I. There are plenty of exercises to awaken the body. Instead of assuming the sitting posture right out of bed, take a brisk walk outdoors and fill your lungs with clear morning air. Stretching exercises are another great way to drive the sleep out of your bones and joints. Additionally, tap the head lightly with your fingertips for a minute or so. This is a well-known exercise from Qigong. Another option is to fill the sink with cold water to dip the face into. Open and shut the eyes for as long as you can hold your breath, and let the eyeballs get in touch with the cold water. Oftentimes, dozing off is not related to the time of the day or whether you're tired or not. Let's be honest, the problem is one of motivation. The need for meditation is not yet strongly felt, and dozing off indicates that you want to escape from the tedium of Zazen. Remember, consistency is of value when it comes to sharpening your mind and spiritual emancipation.